Thank you for visiting our Manufacturing Africa video. We've built up one of the largest networks of investors focused on investing into Africa's manufacturing sector as well as other sectors. And so we'd be delighted to assist you. If you are an investor looking to invest in Africa's manufacturing sector, please visit our homepage, click on Invest in Africa, add some details as to exactly what you're looking to invest in so that we can send you matched investment opportunities from across Africa. If you are a company operating in Africa's manufacturing sector and you'd like to apply for funding or finance for a project, a concept, or an idea, please visit our homepage, click on Apply for Funding, add some details as to your investment opportunity so that we can then match you with global investors. If you are an individual and you're operating in Africa's manufacturing sector and you'd like to promote your company's services for free across the world and across our various digital platforms, please visit our homepage, click on Promote My Company's Services, add some details as to what you do, and we will then promote you globally. And finally, we do strongly recommend, please do add yourself to our mailing list so that we can keep you up to date with opportunities in Africa's manufacturing sector as we become aware of them. Thank you.